How to write a good paragraph. First, topic sentence is where the main idea is stated. It's placed in the beginning of a paragraph. 2. Supporting details elaborates upon the topic sentences and thesis. Should be drawn from variety of sources determined by the assignments, guideline, and genre, and should include the writer's own analysis. Examples of sources you can use are expert opinion, brief stories, facts and statistics, research studies, personal experiences, your own analysis, others' experience, or interviews. 3. Concluding sentence. Each paragraph should end with a final statement that brings together the ideas brought up in the paragraphs. Sometimes it can serve as a transition to the next paragraph. Summary. To write a paragraph, you should have a topic sentence, which is the first sentence in a paragraph. It introduces the main idea of the paragraph. 2. Supporting details. They come after the topic sentence. They give details to develop and support the main idea of the paragraph. 3. Closing sentence. It's the last sentence in the paragraph. It restates the main idea of your own paragraph.